Our university is an incredible place to find growth. Starting out as freshies, we take on the title of Scholars ng Bayan, eventually becoming national artists, national scientists, the future leaders of our nation. I started out my growth as the president of UP Economics Towards Consciousness. And this past year, I got an opportunity to become your USC counselor, working with over 100 organizations to deliver an alternative classroom learning experience that was definitely conversations worthy. Now, I am sure that my UP journey will help me convene the League of College Councils. Working together with each student council, we will forward the UP agenda: freedom of information, anti-discrimination, security of tenure for our workers, and a higher budget for education. This year, we have no choice but to move forward.
Hindi madali ang buhay ng isang UP student. Tulad ng marami sa atin, sanay ako sa simpleng pamumuhay. Hindi ako anak ng isang abogado o maimpluwensyang tao. Nagko-commute ako at sapat lang ang baon ko araw-araw para sa pangkain at pamasahe. Dahil sa pagsusumikap ng aking mga magulang na magtinda ng gulay at mamasahe ng tricycle, nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. At dahil dito, natutunan ko na parang aking mga magulang, tayong mga leader estudyante ay gawa, konkretong resulta at tunay na pagmamalasakit ang kailangan na ipakita. Sa parehong pagsusumikap din na ipakita ng bagong USC, na kaya nating tulungan ng bawat scholar ng bayan na magpakita ng dangal at husay sa paglilingkod sa bayan. Marami na tayong pinagsamahan. Marami na tayong hamong nalampasan. Ngayon pa ba tayo mag-iiwanan? Hindi pa tayo tapos. UP, susulong tayo.